the way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
My bride is here. It's Bride Ruth. This should be the vibe. Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel, and today's video promises to be very exciting, interesting. You would love it. I'm about to get the bride ready for her big day. As you can see, we have known each other for a while, so when she told me she was getting married, I was like, wow. I was super happy and excited for her. And then when she told me, Chinwe, please, you're going to be handling the makeup and the get ready process, I was like excited all over. You know, I was like, why not? Let's do this. And that is why we are here. And you can see she's so happy. And also, we learned this makeup and, you know, hairstyling craft together, and we also worked in the same school because I'm a teacher. So the more reason why I am, you know, very, very excited, you know, to be doing this for her, and that she even, you know, came to me and, you know, and asked me to be part of her big day in this way. I feel really, you know, honored, and I appreciate it. I don't take it for granted at all. And, you know, when it comes to Nigerian weddings, it's a very serious affair, you know, from the makeup to the outfit, you know, to the party or the function itself. It has to be on point. It has to be, you know, on fleek. It is lit, you know. You have already seen the sneak peek of what's about to come in this video, and you'll be seeing this in phases, which is the makeup. You'll be seeing the process of getting her ready into her dress. You'll be seeing the gele, which is the headgear, and then you'll be seeing her, you know, accessories. You'll be seeing her shoes. You'll be seeing her bag, and then you'll be seeing her hand fan. You'll be seeing a little unboxing, which was so fun. And, you know, I really had a great time. Also, you get to see the full reveal, okay, from her head to her toe, and then the beauty of her regalia. Trust me, you would love. Okay, so you will also get to see the beautiful look created. She's an Igbo bride, so she's my Igbo sister. I'm just going to allow you to keep watching, enjoy, and I'll see you at intervals. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Thank you. And to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted at all. Thank you. Going to be given. Oh my goodness. Bride Ruth. Let the singles breathe. Girl. So we are through with the makeup session and she wanted it simple, not so loud. She loved it and I hope you love it too. On to the next phase now.
I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
We're doing unboxing. We're getting the bride ready. Can you see this?
So at this point, we were behind time. She needed to be on the move. She was already getting calls here and there. She looked so magnificent. I love, and she loved it too. And I know you love it as well. So please don't forget to leave me your comments and thumbs up as well. And if you're still watching, thank you so much. You will still be seeing the, full reveal of, her look from head to toe, everything. So you wouldn't want to miss it. Don't go nowhere, okay?
Screw.
At this point, I want to say thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, because we've come to the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.